In this video I show you how to forage and prepare rosehip shells for use in teas. Rosehips develop on all flowering rose bushes, and all rosehips are edible, although some taste better than others. The hip is the stem just under where the flower was, which grows thicker and thicker and then turns orange and then red later on in the autumn and winter. Harvest when firm before the rosehip starts to pucker by cutting with a pair of scissors on the stem just below the hip. To prepare, you will need a sharp knife, a teaspoon and a chopping board. First you need to top and tail the rosehips and then slice them in half down the middle. You need to scrape out all of the seeds and the tiny hairs from inside. These hairs are an irritant to the skin and are otherwise known as itching powder, so you may want to wear gloves when performing this task. Place the shells on the trays of your dehydrator and dehydrate overnight at 45 degrees until the shells resound when you tap them with your nail. Once dried, store in an airtight container for up to 12 months. Use 1 teaspoon of dried rosehips per cup of tea.